Alright, y'all, so as you can see, AC's not working. We're going to go ahead and recharge it. So hey, first off, we're going to remove that nozzle right there. I already got my AC running full power right now. So hey, we're going to go ahead and get this can recharged. Best place to go is AutoZone. This is where I got this at. So go to AutoZone or Advanced Auto Parts. Look for AC Recharge. This is the one I got. And we're going to go ahead and get this AC recharged. You know, it's starting to get hot. Definitely got to have that AC recharged. That way we're not out here burning up, all right? So let's go ahead and get this open, okay? So we finally got this open. Now what we're going to do is we're going to remove this clear tab right here. You're also going to unscrew this nozzle. And you're going to take off this clip here as well, all right? Screw that tab and you pull out, once you screw that clip and you pull out the tab, your digital gauge is going to come on, all right? Now we're going to go ahead and twist off the nozzle right here. And also, you guys might want to have like some gloves or something like that. It does get pretty hot in the engine bay. I didn't really think this through. I said, hey, I need my AC charge. Why not shoot a video on it, all right? So you want to have some gloves, safety glasses as well. That way, you know, you always want to have that PPE and stay protected, okay? So let's go ahead. We'll get this screwed on, and then we'll start the charging process. Just so you know, when you start the charging process, okay, you want to make sure it's in the middle of that green. You don't want to overcharge it, all right? So you'll see here where it says filled. You want to have it between that and that green meter, maybe like in the center or something like that, okay? And again, hey, if you guys are mechanics, quote me if I'm wrong, all right? I just make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? Let's get to it. Got this on, it's going to say, hey, push to engage. That way it's fully on there. From there, we'll go ahead, we'll start recharging it. It's going to have instructions as well, fill release trigger. Instructions as well as far as like you fill release trigger every like 15 seconds or so. You want to kind of rotate it here and there when you do it. Release the trigger every so often. You release it, it'll show you where you're at. So right now, and I am at 23 PSI. So we're getting close to that middle mark right there already. So you just want to keep it going every so often, rotate. Also, when you do this, you also want to make sure that your AC is on full blast as well, and that you have like your windows and your doors open, okay? That way you have good airflow, and that's about it. Go upside down, make sure it gets all in there. That should be good right about there. Let's check it out, see if it works. Now our AC works. We got cool air blowing out. All right, guys. Before you disconnect your hose, you want to make sure you turn your car off. Back over here, going to go ahead and disconnect it. Basically, squeeze underneath there, disconnect it, okay? Twist it back on. And that's all she wrote, guys. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, all right? And hey, tune in for more vehicle tips and tricks, all right? Remember, YouTube is your best friend when you're learning how to work in your car. I still don't got much experience, but hey, we take it how it is. You know, make it do what it do, all right? Other than that, AC should work, and that's about it. So, all right, guys, looking forward to seeing y'all soon. Much love. Adios.